sit, but sit there
At the
up
start.
to the end of our class because sitting arrangement will use it for case discussion. So
Cold calls.
rather than I arrange you alphabetically, we arrange you sitting arrangement, and then that's where, because our case discussion, I don't know, to make me familiar with you, sit all in one place till later we get to know your participation. Okay.
Okay na.
We'll do this after your presentation. This presentation anyway are per group, so it's easily to identify them.
How many groups will be reporting per meeting?
One.
May guideline ba?
One group per day.
For the report.
So if you want to be specific about it,
Ano gagawin niyo?
Depende sa'yo.
Ay, report mo lang to. Just expound mo
what
lang.
dates?
Ha?
Expound lang.
Oo.
Ah, okay. Typical. Typical. Akala ko
Ano pag-ilang summer ba kayo? First summer ba?
Hindi.
Ano?
3 taon na ako.
Ha?
3 taon na ako.
3 taon ka na rin. Pero entrep ka na talaga
Ay,
dati.
Iniwan ko lang to eh. Entrip ka?
Hindi, non-thesis.
Tagal yan.
Non-thesis, thesis, tas non-thesis.
Ang gulo mo ah. Bakit? Hindi ka makapakali. Alam mo, mas maganda mag-thesis.
Okay.
Hindi ko kaya.
Clear?
Tinry ko. At least I try.
Mahirap ang business plan.
That's clear?
Sir, we are only two the group.
Two. Which one? Group one? Two. Three.
We are
Four.
we have only 2 members.
19 tayo.
Because the other.
Easy yan, easy.
Anyway, you just do the presentation even if you're only two. You just ask the next guy to do the industry study more. Comes in. Or we can actually I can identify them. Let's see.
Oo.
But how do you contact him? You find out only if you want to contact him.
Bakit ganun? Walang 5? Walang 5?
Kasi ngayon, nahuli naman, bawasan na
Ano na lang?
bawasan na lang
Just in time.
yung mga
Tatlo.
Ito ba yun? Teka, may question. Just in time? Ano ito ba yun?
Hindi.
Ano yun?
Ano pa lang ito eh. Chapter 4 pa lang. Kaya,
Huwag na lang.
Sabi ko nga sa ba natin?
May skala naman ako. Kaya lang, kailangan mas sipagin ko lang.
Oo nga. Sa
Hindi, mas... Hindi, madali lang to.
Protect naman sa kanya niya ata eh.
Patrabaho ko sa
Sa
ano.
office.
Patrabaho ko sa ano, sa opisina.